Alright, welcome back to another video. I'm actually doing an intro before I fish, so I don't know what happens. But I'm here at this little stream. This is a, part of it is a Class A trout stream. The rest of it is natural reproduction, but I was here that first wild trout video that I did. This was part of the video, and I did see a couple fish. So I'm gonna walk further up, farther than I did, and there's supposed to be another stream that goes off, that branches off. I don't know if there's fish in there or not, but I did see another stream down the road over there that is supposed to be a Class A stream as well, and I didn't really think of it when I first was driving by, but then I saw some man-made waterfalls, so maybe there are some trout in there. But yeah, I'm just gonna see what I'm gonna catch. So yeah, it's cold still. It's like 45 degrees up, it's raining. So I had to put the waders on. These are insulated for the warm. I did pass a big trout stream though, like a really popular, a big one. So if this fails, I guess I can just go there. So yeah. Where they do stock it downstream, which is really small, so I don't know how much fish they put in here. There was one guy fishing downstream in the stock section. This is where they don't stock it. Remember there's a big waterfall up here. Remember I did see a smaller waterfall. I saw one trout jump out of the water, try to make up the fall. So I'm gonna see if I can find that one. I did see, 2 weeks ago, there was a news report here. A group of people were trying to preserve the native trout population. They straight out say that stalking trout does not affect it. Oh, no way. No freaking way. He came off too. I wasn't expecting that. Here we go. Native brookie. My bag went in the water. Let's get a look at him. If you want to stop. Look at this bloke. Nice native brookie. Let's get a picture of you. Dude. Nice native brookie. I'm gonna let him go if he can figure his way out of the net. You just had it, dude. There he goes. He's just sitting actually. He's sitting right there. Yeah, there he goes. He was behind that rock. So, there's my answer. As I continue what I was saying before that fish hit, a group of people are trying to preserve the trout population in here, the native ones, and the guy flat out said that stock trout doesn't affect the population. Well, I don't know about that, because what do stock trout eat? The same food that native trout eat. And they said the acid rain is leaking aluminum out of the ground, and that's what's affecting the trout. Maybe that's true, but I think maybe stocking trout may also be part of the problem. Did he want it? Yeah, oh, he had it for a second. No way, there's one in there. A little baby one. Oh, my line came off. Wait, no, it didn't. Never mind. These fish are so light, you didn't do nothing. I didn't feel no weight. Alright. This one has bars on them. Let's got like little bars. If he flips on his side, it'd be nice. Yeah, trout number 2 under this log. There's a rock right there. I bet he was under that, but the other side. You're going. Go back, buddy. Look how little they are. I was musky fishing the past 2 days, and here I am. That'd be really good bait for muskie, but the trout fishermen do not want to hear that. Dude, that's a little baby. Come here. That's a baby. That was like A-tier surgery. He got the whole treble in his mouth, but only one treble was actually hooked. So I was able to maneuver the other trebles out, and then the one that was actually hooked. That's maybe the nicest I've ever treated a trout. There's one. He came off, but he was still going ham. Oh, I came out of the rock. He came out again. There's probably a couple in there. Yeah. I'm gonna count it. Yo. I'm not counting that one. Yeah. One followed it. Yeah, oh man, that was a good one too. There's one. Get in the net, buddy. Big trout number 4. He came on a hook, so cool. What am I doing? What am I doing right now? There he is in the net. Very pretty fish. A lot of spots on him. It's like 3 different kinds. There's like the plain ones, the spotted ones, and the barred ones. I've only caught 4, so I mean I don't know what sample size that is. This one's got bars too. They're so strong. Oh, he's down there now. I made him lose his spot. I feel bad. When I was looking up native trout streams of fish, this one was one of them, but the only comment was, this stream isn't good, there isn't a lot of holes. I found quite a bit. Maybe down where they put stalkers in, but there's a good amount of fish in here. Good amount of holes too. Yeah, see? They're down here, but not upstream. That's weird. That's a little baby one. Fish number 5 or 6. The one I counted that I didn't like net, but I counted it. There's another little guy. That's a decent one. That's a pretty good one. That's the best one of the day, I think. I wasn't even expecting him. He came out of nowhere. Beautiful native brookie. Put him back. Just spooked a big one. Oh, you missed it. You missed it. He came up after it. I'm stupid. There he is. Oh, look at that basketball. Other nice fish. See him in there. Another one of the little dotted ones. He's going right with the current, like right through it. Like it's no problem. There's one in there. Oh, dude, come on. If you can see his wake comes up behind it. Might be a stock trout, low-key. It's pretty big. Yeah. Stock rainbow. You don't belong here, pal. You're in the wrong part of town. There is a native brook trout in there too. Look how little he is. So yeah. He flipped over. Yeah, stupid. There's a fish in there. This is that one I saw. This is a different creek, actually. Ooh, he's in there. I scared him. I scared him somehow. Yeah, you got it. Oh, he came off. I'm so stupid. He followed it. I wasn't paying attention because I heard like a noise and it was that biker. I thought it was a fucking snake. Yeah. Fuck you. That's a nice one too. That was a nice one. And this sort of looks like it's the last chance. Or the last spot. Oh, there's a little one right there. He came up. Kind of looking for it. There's a bigger one in there.